Welcome to English Beast Pro. Today's topic is daily use English. Let's start learning. Are you ready to speak fluent English? Watch till the end because the last sentence will surprise you. I wake up early every day. She drinks coffee in the morning. They are playing in the park. He is reading a book. We are going to the market. I like learning English. She is my best friend. They live in a big house. He works in an office. We watch movies together. I am feeling happy today. She cooks delicious food. They travel a lot. He drives very fast. We enjoy music. I am writing a message. She is talking on the phone. They are watching TV. He is eating lunch. We are studying together. I like this place. She is very kind. They are good people. He is very smart. We are ready now. I am learning something new. She is dancing well. They are singing loudly. He is running fast. We are waiting here. I will call you later. She will help you. They will arrive soon. He will complete the work. We will go together. I can do this. She can speak English. They can solve the problem. He can drive a car. We can finish it. I have a pen. She has a car. They have many books. He has a laptop. We have a plan. I had a great day. She had a meeting. They had fun. He had a problem. We had dinner. I am going home.